Yeah, most colorful cafe in Delhi.
Hi mga neng, tara itry natin ang chicken biryani and vegetable biryani dito sa GK2 New Delhi Maze Doozy. Shallow! Gusto pa at nang bumalik sa pagkabata nitong asawa ko. Sabi nila mas maganda daw ito kapag marami siyang ilaw-ilaw, so medyo late na kasi kami nakapunta rito, around 1 AM na, so medyo pa-close na rin sila, kaya ito lang yung mga lights na naka-open. If you want to have some fun and make time to your friends, this is the perfect place for you guys. They also serve drinks and other food na magugustuhan nyo, and napakasimple lang nitong place na to and cozy. Open nga pala sila until 2 AM. And one thing na nagustuhan ko sa restaurant na to is malinis yung kanilang comfort room. Yung ibang shop kasi na napupuntahan namin minsan is hindi siya ganong kalinis. And it's funny kasi look, it's color pink. Doon naman sa kanilang food na chicken biryani and vegetable biryani, medyo nakukulangan lang ako doon sa kanilang chicken biryani. Not unlike dun sa mga previous na natikman ko, medyo mas spicy siya, tapos mas flavorful. Kaya nga pala kami napadpad dito kasi pauwi na kami sa bahay. So, we are from Rishikesh and then nag-tour kami doon. So, it was fun and so memorable experience for staying here in India. So, ayan yung labas niya guys. Dito kami sa GK2. So, medyo hindi na siya crowded. Dito rin pala kami nanood ng sine last time. So, ayan lang guys. Thank you for watching.